Hi, this is a video of how I sharpen with a Oilstone. Really all you need is your stone, paper towel, a strop, and some compound. I have no idea what the grit of this stone is. It's a stone that my grandpa gave me. Pretty good stone. This is a knife. It's a Leatherman E33L 154 cm. And the best oil, in my opinion, is just a good old 3-in-1. I have not used mineral oil for this, but I have used WD-40, which is like nothing. And I used the Norton oil, which really sucks. So here goes nothing. I like to rub it in a little bit. It's an easier way to spread it. So I first place the blade flat, look at it from the side, and I find the angle. I don't worry too much about angles, whatever works. It looks about right. Basically, I try to follow what Murray Carter says and just use a smooth, nice, light, smooth stroke. Okay, now that I feel a nice burr, not sure if you can hear that, but that's the burr. There you go, you should hear that. Once you get a burr on one side, you start on the other side. Same thing, find the angle.
Finally, I found some working caps.
Okay. Go for about the same amount of time. The burr should be turned over to the other side. Clean off the blade a little bit. Murray Carter's three-finger trick is actually extremely useful for finding the burr. And then once you have flipped the burr over, you go back to the first side. And now this is where I like to start counting strokes. I wouldn't get too anal about it though. Find your angle. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. I go to 12. and see if I flip the burr completely over. If you didn't flip the burr, it just means you didn't really match up the angle real well, and that's exactly what I did. So you just go a little bit until you completely flip the burr over. I like sharpening my hand, whether it'd be on a stone or a belt sander. Not a big fan of those Spyderco sharp makers and whatnot. I mean, this way is working fine for me, so don't see a reason to change. Alright. Okay, got 12 on that side. Now I think I'll go down 3. 3 strokes, so that means we're only going to do 9. Okay, that's 9. It's 9. 6. 'Wow, I just forgot to count. Oh well. I hope that was 6. Okay. The burr's a lot smaller now. Oh, we'll go down to 3. Alright. 3. Shit. 3. Alright. Just 1. Basically, you're stropping the edge now. Alright. My left hand isn't doing much besides guiding the blade. Okay,